ALTIMAX ONE and ALTIMAX ONE S own every curve. Enjoy confident driving pleasure. General Tyre's new passenger summer line provides a reliable performance for everyday driving with outstanding grip on dry and wet roads and significantly improved tread life. Adventurous on dry roads. This new tyre is designed in a whole new way. Its connected shoulder blocks with added stiffness provide precise handling and reliable braking performance on dry roads. Reliable in wet conditions. Optimized siping and a large number of gripping edges effectively displace water for enhanced control on wet and slippery roads. Enjoy extra mileage. The new silica-enriched tread compound and the computer-optimized pattern design enable you to gather more miles thanks to the extended tread life. In addition to the 3-groove pattern, a 4-groove version called ALTIMAX ONE S has been designed to fit the higher performance sizes to ensure improved water evacuation at higher speeds and responsive handling. Since 1915, General Tyre, a brand of Continental.